Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to do a quick unboxing of the Spellbinders. This is still the glimmering cut. They have changed the way that they do their club kits now, but I guess they're honouring those of us who were here before they changed it. So in the glimmering cut I get the small, the large die cut of the month and the glimmer of the month, which also comes with a hot foil to go with it, which is what these are. They are a hot foiling die or plate, as opposed to the other one that I can't think of the name of. So let's show you what we've got. So this is for November 24. So in this month they have sent the rainbow confetti hot foil. So this is this sort of pretty colour. You get a different one each month. You don't know what colour you're going to get. The colours can vary, so I thought I'd just take it out of the box. I thought this might actually be easier for you to see, but it's got this whole rainbow. It looks like almost like their bokeh, whatever that's called, sort of look. So that's that one, and together with that is the glimmer of the month, which are the plates that you can then hot foil this pretty foil onto. So this one's called Confetti Burst, and there's 5 foil plates and 4 cutting dies, and I love when they include the cutting dies, especially on the sentiments. So this piece here will create half a card, half an A2 card, or if you double it up you can then create a whole background using this. And then you have 4 sentiments here. The big one says happy birthday, and then the little ones, I can never read, say it's your day to sparkle, and cake, candles and confetti, oh my. So yeah, reading it backwards and all that. And then there's coordinating dies for the sentiments, which I love, because that just makes it really easy. And then this is just an idea. This one here will show you an idea of what the rainbow paper foil and the confetti background will make. Obviously this, looking at the pattern on it, there's heart stars and like a little whoop and little dots. You can use that all year round. If you do this in shades of pinks or reds, you could do it for Valentine's. You could do it for different, I guess you could even, if you use the right sort of add-ons or toppers, you could even use it for things like Christmas and Halloween, I think. Just saying, just use a different colour foil. But that's how you would do the 2 halves to create the whole A2 size panel, which is 5.5 by 4.25. So it'll give you that sort of size. But that's an idea of what it could look like. Then we have the small die of the month, which is called Birthday Bliss, and there's 15 dies in this, and these create this cute little sloth and tortoise, and I love it. It's very cutesy, which I love. You've got some balloons and some clouds, and then some clouds that you can die cut some stars into it. The balloon strings, the layers for the sloth and the tortoise, a little hat. These pieces here, they look a bit funny, but they're actually the pieces that if you cut them in black or brown, you could then put them behind the faces, and that will cover up the eyes, unless you want to inlay the tiny little eyes that will cut out there. So it's up to you, but that's much easier. And then there's a banner here that says Birthday Bliss, which is very cute. So this gives you an idea, whoops, this gives you an idea of the sloth and he's floating off with his balloons. That sentiment is from the hot foil, so if I just bring that one back in, it's one of the hot foil sentiments here. But also what you'll see is this is the tortoise from this, and the Birthday Bliss banner from the small die of the month that they've then added. So you can mix and match all these different die sets and things. Then the last one I've got is the large die of the month, which is large and always packed with stuff. This is called Hooray It's Your Birthday, and there's 18 dies in this one. So if I turn this sideways, you have the crocodile in this one, you've got some hats, it's a little car, and there's this little guy, I can't remember what it is. always a frog. I love frogs. So he's a little frog, and you can have him driving the car. Of course. And then there's some like ribbons and things to create little banners and birthday gifts. There's some more flags. There's this one which creates like a nice little background, or you can create a window to make a shaker card. These I think are for the presents, so the bows for that are here. These I think are just bits for like the frog, like his eyes and his little bow tie, and the crocodile then has, what are these things on the back of a crocodile? They like scale things, I don't know. And then there's another cool like edge thing here. So just as an idea, this is what you could create. So this has been made into a shaker card. So they've cut the front with that sort of scallopy shape, and then they've used the crocodile with the little, you know, his little party hat and his bow tie. So cute. And made that into a shaker. But if I look again on this one, that same, it's in white so you can't really see it that well, but this white sort of section here is this shape, this die cut here. So you can use it as a layer or to create something like a shaker or a window. Doesn't have to be a shaker card, but a window. So that is November 24 for the Glimmer and Cut, or the Spellbinders Glimmer Hot Foil, the small and the large die of the month. So stay tuned and I will get back with some ideas. Still running a little behind on things, but we're getting there. So yeah, until next time, bye for now.